Hello friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I'm going to make spicy cuttlefish curry, and I will show you step by step how to make this delicious, easy recipe.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Grams of cuttlefish, 1 onion diced, half a tomato, curry leaves, pandan or rampa, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice. I have a pan here with the oil on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add the 1 onion. The green chili, the pandan curry leaf. Let this saute for 3 minutes. It's been sauteing for about 3 minutes. Go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste. And let this saute for 2 minutes. Alright, so it has been frying. I'm going to go ahead and add the cuttlefish. Add salt to your taste. Put the lid on and cook it on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes. So this is the water from the cuttlefish. Go ahead and add the diced tomato. Close this and cook it for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes. So the lid. Go ahead and add the 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice, curry powder, and the chili powder. Cover this and cook it on medium, well, between low and medium heat. For 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes guys. Pour in 1/3 cup of water and cover it back and cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Alright guys, so it's been exactly 8 minutes. It's done. So let me go ahead and blend it up. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my cuttlefish cooking today. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.